Hello everyone, I am Vaishali Gupta and I am here again today for lecture 2 in the series of applications of artificial intelligence. As we have already covered artificial intelligence applications in healthcare industry in our previous lecture, that is lecture 1. So today I'll be covering AI applications in other domains like education and media and entertainment. Okay, so today's lecture objectives are: first, I'll discuss the role of artificial intelligence in education sector. Then second, I will be covering benefits of artificial intelligence for education. Artificial is intelligence benefiting students and teacher and school as well. So we'll cover both. Then next we'll cover how to use artificial intelligence in education. The next, educational platforms. What are the different educational platforms based on AI technology? What we are currently using in our education system. And then next, I'll cover the domain media and entertainment. So the role of artificial intelligence in media and entertainment industry. And then we'll see some real life use cases in media and entertainment industry. So we'll start our lecture with the role of artificial intelligence in education. As we all are aware, artificial is everywhere nowadays. So there is a significant potential for artificial intelligence and machine learning to have a tremendous impact of our educational institutions and professionals as well. By leveraging what machines do best and what humans are uniquely capable of, the outcome of the digital transformation of education can be quite positive for all learners because of artificial intelligence. So the technology, artificial intelligence technology has overturned the world of learning as educational material become more accessible to all with the use of smart devices like iPads, smartphones, laptops, etc. and computers, while also automating all complicated administrative tasks also, like allowing that allow faculty to invest more time on focusing on their students. So uh, these are the things where the technologies has arrived. If we see benefits of artificial intelligence for education, so we can say educational applications can be utilized by two types of users in education system. The one are students and the second are teachers. And of course, such solutions bring different benefits to them. So first we will talk about benefits for students and then we'll see benefits for schools and teachers. So advantages of artificial intelligence in education for students. So the first advantage is education at any time. So by using artificial intelligence, students can take education at any time. See, nowadays young people spend a lot of time on the go. They prefer doing everyday tasks using their smartphones or their gadgets or their tablets. So artificial intelligence based application provide an opportunity to study in free time, spending 10 to 15 minutes and then they can study. And even students can get feedback from tutors in a real-time mode. Students can students can query to their teachers in a real-time modes. So education at any time. Now the next is various options due to the students' needs. AI-based solutions can adapt due to the student's level of knowledge, interesting topics, and their interest basically. So the system tends to help students with their weak sides as well. It offers learning materials based on their weakness. For example, the student does the test before starting to use the application, and the application analyzes it and provides suitable tasks and courses. So because of artificial intelligence, we can customize applications according to the students' needs. The next is virtual mentors. AI-based platforms offer virtual mentors to track the students' progress, and of course, only human teachers can understand the scholars or students' needs better. But it is good to get instant feedback from the virtual tutor as well. Students can have their feedback by the virtual mentors before their teacher. So like this, the students can benefit it through the artificial intelligence. Now the next is advantages of artificial intelligence in education for teachers and schools as well. So the first is opportunity to see weakness. See, different training courses allow seeing the gaps in students' knowledge. For example, the Coursera is on a platform that can notify the teacher if many students, students choose incorrect answers to a particular questions. So as a result, the tutor has an opportunity to pay attention to the demanded topic or to the demanded course. So teachers can see their weakness as well through the artificial intelligence methods. Now the second is better engagement. See, artificial intelligence, modern technologies like virtual reality and gamifications help involve students in the education process, making it more interactive. So as we embedded more technologies in our education system, so the system become more interactive and become more personalized. So the various intelligence enabled algorithm can analyze the user's knowledge and interest and provide more personalized recommendations and training programs. So the students will engage more and in even a better way. And the next is curriculum automatic formation. Teachers can create automatic curriculum through the artificial intelligence methods. So teachers get a great benefit from artificial intelligence development. Don't need to create a curriculum from scratch. As a result, tutors spend less time searching for necessary education materials. So if they use the artificial intelligence based methods or artificial intelligence based applications, so they will get some ready-made educational materials, so they no need to develop the curriculum from the scratch. So through the AI based application, they can create automatically curriculum as well. Now the next is opportunity to find a good teacher. So educational platforms have a lot of teachers, so the student has an opportunity to communicate with specialists from other countries. So the AI enabled educational platforms offers appropriate tutors depending on the teacher experience and soft skills. So basically, if you are in India but you want to take a guidance from the teacher who's currently in a US or out of India, so through the artificial intelligence based applications or solutions, you can interact with the teachers, okay, all around the world. So you can find out a good teacher, okay, through these applications. Okay, so now the next is how to use artificial intelligence in education. So there are several use cases of AI for the education field. So let's discuss them precisely. The first is individualized learning, or you can say the personalized learning. So artificial intelligence allow focusing on the individual needs of the students. Many large education platforms invest in artificial intelligence to provide more personalized courses. So these days it is possible to create individual instructions, testing and feedback. So if we see, learners can work with the material they are ready for and fill the gaps in their knowledge. So artificial allow individualized or personalized learning. As artificial become more smarter, it might be possible to scan and analyze students facial expressions as well. So if the material is too complicated, the platform can change the lesson depending on their needs. So these are the advances, you can say, or these are the usefulness of artificial intelligence in education. The next is voice assistants, like voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. They all are voice assistant. They allow interacting with various study materials or learning materials without communication with a teacher. So directly student or learner can query with the Alexa or Siri, and then they can find their solutions. So as a result, it is possible to use an education platform anywhere and anytime. So like for example, Arizona State University uses Alexa for routine campus needs. So the assistant can answer common questions or follow the students schedules. So like that, these voice assistants can be used in education. And even using these assistants, it is quite interesting and exciting for students. So they are more engaged in the education process because the students find them more interesting or more interactive. Now the next is smart content. Smart content means for smart contents means for various learning materials or study materials, from digital textbooks to customized interfaces. So we can have smart content as well. We can develop smart content through the AI based applications. The next is global learning. So artificial intelligence bring a lot of opportunities to share knowledge all over the world. And using artificial intelligence solutions or platforms, students can study courses and training programs all over the world. And there are a lot of platforms with interactive learning materials from the best tutors as well. So students can experience the global learning also. And AI also provides opportunities for students who speak different languages, like, or have a visual or hearing problems. So through the artificial intelligence, students have opportunity to interact with different languages as well. So like for example, a translator is an artificial intelligence based solution that creates subtitle in real mode. So using AI speech recognition, student can hear their native language. So through the speech recognition, through the machine translators, the students can you can say can get knowledge throughout the world. Okay, the next is educational platforms based on artificial intelligence. So here you can see I have written some educational platforms. They can analyze the level of knowledge, they offer backward communication and provide a plan for improvements. So the first is a third space learning. Third space learning, it's a system which is created by the help of scholars from London University College, and they actively use artificial intelligence opportunity. So the system can recommend ways to improve teaching techniques. For example, If the teacher speaks too fast or slow, the system send a notification. So such type of recommendation ways we can have from this system, that is third space learning. And the next is Little Dragon. Little Dragon is also a startup company that creates smart applications using artificial intelligence, and these applications can analyze users' emotions and adapt the user interface depending on it. So what interface students are using, so this Little Dragon can analyze the emotions, and then it can create the interface between student and or between learner and the system. And the company also makes educational games for kids. So this Little Dragon is engaged in creating smart apps for the students and as well as for the kids. Now the next is CTI. CTI is also AI based company that develop technology driven solutions for education. So the CTI's main goal is to create smart content, as we have just discussed what is the smart content. So the CTI is company who's creating smart contents. For example, Cram 101 can analyze the textbook or other learning materials and choose the critical information to create text. Okay, so basically it will this is CTI, this is Cram 101 solution will analyze all the digital textbooks and all the study materials, and then it will fetch only the critical and important information to create a text for the students or for the learners. The next is Brainly. Brainly is also it is a social network for students corporations. For example, students can discuss issues connected to their homework or get new knowledge from other students. So basically it's a platform where all over the it's a platform for the students where students can discuss their education related problems or issues. So the company utilized machine learning to provide a better user experience, and the machine learning assists selecting spam and incorporate content as well. So AI used more or you can say the AI is used to offer more personalized materials. Now the next is Cringe learning. In Cringe learning, it is a system tends to provide more customized education materials, making the learning process more comfortable. So through this system, you can create more customized study material. So the you can say the learning will become more personalized. So if you have the more customized material, so the learning will be more customized or more personalized, and it will be more comfortable as well. So this solution offers real-time education for school students, and it use keystrokes and allows the tutor to see the students progress. So this system also, you can say, that it can analyze users activity and allow the tutor to see the progress. And the next is ThinkerMath. ThinkerMath is also AI enabled solution that help small kids to learn math. So there are various games and rewards to achieve better engagement results while doing maths. So using ThinkerMath, students or kids will be more engaged in doing maths. So ThinkerMath is basically it's making math more interesting and more interactive. And this application also offer a personalized learning plan, and that depends on the child's knowledge. So it depends on the child, depends on child's knowledge. So the application can offer personalized learning as well. So these are the some educational platforms currently we are using in education system, and these educational platforms are purely artificial intelligence based. Okay, so the now next is I'll be covering artificial intelligence applications in another domain, that is media and entertainment. So, by offering fully interactive capabilities, media and entertainment is changing from a watch only medium to being fully interactive nowadays. And we also see entertainment extended from the theaters into our day-to-day lives, and all thanks to Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar. So these are the AI enabled applications. They are giving entertainment experience at home. So you can see the use of artificial intelligence in the media and entertainment industry is helping the media companies to improve their services and enhance their customer experience as well. So here you can see there are some few artificial intelligence use cases in media and entertainment that are transforming the industry. The first is metadata tagging, second content personalization, third is reporting automation, and the fourth is subtitle generation. So next slides we'll see one by one. So the first is metadata tagging. So metadata tagging is basically to tag the content in a video or in a audio, with countless pieces of content being created every minute, and classifying those items and making them easy to search for viewers become a, a very tough task for media company employees. So this process requires watching videos and identifying all objects, scenes, locations, and classify them and add tags to them. So this to perform this task on a large scale, media creators or distributors using AI based video intelligence tool to analyze these contents of videos frame by frame and identify objects to add appropriate tags. So for the metadata tagging in any video or audio, most of the media and entertainment companies are using these artificial intelligence based tools, and these technology is also being used by content creators or media publishing house, hosting and broadcasting platforms also. And then you can say that regardless of its volume, all the content owned by media companies becomes easily discoverable, so all of because of artificial intelligence. So next is content personalization. So leading music and video streaming platforms like Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, they are successful because they are offering content to audience or people belonging to all demographics, having different tastes and preferences. That's why we are using these Netflix and Spotify kind of streaming platforms. So these companies are using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to study individual user behavior or individual audience behavior, and they recommend what they may be most interested in watching or listening to next, keeping them constantly engaged. So as a result, these AI based platforms are providing customers with the content that cater to their specific likings and offering them a highly personalized experience. So artificial intelligence is playing very important role in content personalization in entertainment. Okay, and next is reporting automation. So in artificial intelligence automating day-to-day or minute-by-minute operations, and artificial intelligence also helps media companies to make strategic decisions. For example, leading media and broadcasting companies are using machine learning and natural language generations to create channel performance reports from raw analytics data shared by Bark. So, like the analyzing the weekly data, and you can say this weekly data analytics can be performed by artificial intelligence enabled data analysis tools that are based on natural language generations, reporting automation tools. And business leaders can create performance reports with easy to understand language commentaries, providing them accurate insights to make informed data driven decisions. So through the artificial intelligence, the media owners are also automating their reporting systems. Here you can see in the picture we are having one channel performance report that is in an Excel sheet. So it's generally the audience they create this voluminous Excel sheets, but through the AI it is easy to analyze such type of Excel sheets. So AI is playing important role in reporting automation. So, next is subtitle generation. Subtitles are important in a video or in a movie for the audiences belonging to multiple reasons. And by creating subtitle, international media publishing companies need to make their content fit for consumption by audiences belonging to multiple regions or multiple country. So to do so, they need to provide accurate multilingual subtitles for their video content. And manually writing subtitles for multiple shows and multiple movies and in dozen of language, it may take hundreds or even thousands of hours for human translators. So most of the companies or most of the international media companies use artificial intelligence to translate their content. So it may also be difficult to find the right human resources to translate content for certain languages, and human translation can also be prone to errors. So to overcome these challenges, media companies are leveraging AI based technologies like natural language processing, natural language generations to create subtitles for their video content. So these were the some artificial intelligence use cases in media and entertainment. So this was all about for today's class. In the next class, we will be discussing more artificial intelligence application in more domains. Okay, so these are the references I have taken from the web. So there are a lot of web sources for the AI applications. So you may go through them. So some of the web sources are here. You can see. Next, this is the again my contact details. If you have any query, so you can ask me or mail me on this email ID. My name is Vaishali Gupta and email ID is vaishali.gupta@calcuttauniversity.edu.in. Thank you for today, and in the next lecture we will be discussing more AI application in more domains. Thank you.